Everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how to install SQL Server 2022, right? So let's start here. Just search SQL Server 2022 download and click on it. Okay, just we have to go down. So we will download SQL Server 2022 Express Edition, right? So just click on the download now. So I have already downloaded, so I'm canceling this moment. So so just like go download, and in the download we have program. So this is the like SQL Server is downloaded. So just double click on it and click on S. Okay. So now it will started to set up. So getting started. There are three kind of installation type: basic, custom, download, media. Okay. So we will select basic installation type. Click on accept, click on install. So it will take some couples of time to start the SQL Server edition. So let's wait for that. Okay, so installation had completed successfully. So this is information about connection string and SQL Server install log folder, installation media folder, installation resource folder. Okay, so if you want to test, click on the connect now. So that is one row affected. It means it is successfully connected. So click on the close, so we can close it. Now we will install SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. So click on it. So SQL Server Management Studio is kind of UI where we can see the databases and we write the query, right? So let's wait for you there. So just you have to download SQL Server Management Studio. So click on it. So I have already downloaded, so I'm canceling here. Cancel. Let's go to my download folder here. So this is the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so click on it. So this is the installation directory. Click on the install. Click on the S. So loading package. Please wait. So let's wait for some couple of moment. Okay, so now Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is set up completed. So just you can close here. Okay, so now you have to come here, type here to search your search bar here, and just type SQL Server. So SQL Server Management Studio, right? Just click on it. Okay, so now it will come on kind of authentication type. So we will select Windows authentication, right? We will select Windows authentication. If the first time it might chance that if your this box is unchecked, if this box is look like this, that is okay. If this box is like unchecked, so you have to check here, and that's all is good. Click on the connector here. Okay, so now you have to go here your new query. So your query editor will be open. So where we write query or SQL query, right? Okay, so create database and student DB. So this database is created. If you want to verify, just click on the refresh button here, and you go to expand this database. And this is the student DB is created. So this way you can we have installed successfully and created databases here in the SQL Server 2022. That's all for this video. If this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.